Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Honda Civic oil life. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your vehicle is safely in park. Next, find the information display control buttons, usually located on the left side of your steering wheel. These buttons will help you navigate through the vehicle's menu options to access the maintenance minder system. Now, let's navigate to the oil life display. Press the menu button on your steering wheel to bring up the main menu on your information display. Use the up or down arrow buttons to scroll through the options until you find Vehicle Settings. Once Vehicle Settings is highlighted, press the source or enter button to select it and proceed to the next screen. To perform the reset, select Maintenance Minder from the Vehicle Settings menu. You will then see the oil life percentage displayed. Highlight Oil Life and press the source or enter button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to reset the oil life. Select Reset and then confirm by choosing Yes to complete the process. After completing the reset, verify that your oil life display now shows 100%. This confirms the successful reset of the maintenance minder system. Remember, it's important to perform this reset every time you change your engine oil to ensure accurate tracking of your vehicle's maintenance schedule. Always refer to your Honda Civic's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or additional details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.